Hey there, do you want to make money by just watching videos online? If that's what you want, then this is the video for you. I made a review on this website. I tried it out for a week, and we are going to see how much I've earned so far by just watching video, because this website, it's just a platform that pays you only to watch videos. So if that's what you are looking for, just stay tuned. But before we go further, I would like to welcome you on this YouTube channel and with Gloria. My name is Gloria and I make videos about making money, but I try out methods which really work. So we discuss what's really working and what's not really working so that we don't waste our time. Our time is valuable. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to mention in the comment section below where you're watching from. Let us get into the video right now. Hey guys, so this is the website that I wanted to share with you. It's called the Worker.Cash website. Yes, if you want to go join, you just go on Google and type in Worker.Cash website. But me, I already have an account. Yes, and I don't want to waste your time. Let us get into this because I didn't show you the sign up process, but it's very easy. Yes, so when you go on Google and type in the Work Cash website, you join. So I'm already in my dashboard. I'm going to show you how much I've earned so far, how it went, and everything. Yes. So this is the dashboard. Start earning. They also have a place where you can send people and refer them to this website. They pay out and all of these, they are platforms. But we are talking about watching videos and get paid. So it said get paid to watch videos from your device. Automatic earning on Android. They have also this app on Android, but they don't have on the Apple phones. So if you are on Android and you want to try, they have this app here. Yes, but if you want to watch videos and start earning, this is the place where we go to watch and start earning, and they have different levels. So my account is on level 1. I have not earned that much. That is going to take me to level 2, and this is my account balance, but we'll get into the money later. This is how much I've earned for the past week I've been on this website. Yes, and they're showing me how many videos I've watched today. I've watched 2 videos. Yes, so and today I've only earned this 44 cents. Yes, all-time earnings. This is my all-time earnings since last week I started this website. This is how much I have so far. And referrals, I haven't referred anybody, and I'll tell you that later in this video. So let us go on the reason why we are here to watch and earn. Yes. Oh God. Yes, so this is the video right here that you are supposed to watch and earn. Yes, you just go click here, watch video, and you will start earning. So this video is for 10 seconds, and on the videos there is always a timer. That timer will be counting. When the 10 seconds you see here finish, then this cents, this money here that you see, this 22 with all these zeros will enter into your account in the dashboard. So today I have to watch from here, watch 400 videos so that I can reach this bonus. Yes, so another day I have to watch up to 600 videos so that I can reach this bonus. Yes, another time I have to watch 800 videos so that I can reach this bonus. Yeah, that's how it is on this website. Yes, but if you want to go further and watch the video, you just go click here and the video will come. You will start earning when you watch it. When the 10 seconds finish, you just off that video, go and watch the next video. The only thing I liked about this website, to be honest, that they let you choose the content you want to watch. They don't just give you videos, you keep watching them, watching even what you don't like, you just watch. No, if something comes, it's bad, you don't like it, you can skip. Yes, you can skip and go to another video. But I don't know if the videos are coming from YouTube or what. Yes, where they are taking these videos or they are advertising for other people so that they can get views. Yes, so if you go to referrals, you can refer a person and earn more. As you can see, I've not referred anybody. Yes, so my referral dashboard is very and very empty. Yes, if you want to pay out, so this is their payment methods. My withdrawal history is zero because I haven't been able to make the money that I'm supposed to withdraw. As you can see, nothing is there. So when you want to withdraw, you come here, press withdraw, and this is how much you can withdraw according to different wallets. This is if $2, add cash $2, as you can see going down. Yes, there is even one I saw where you have to have a maximum of minimum of $5 to withdraw, and a day you can't withdraw above $20, but it's hard to make $20 on this website, to be honest with you. It's really very hard to make that $20 on this website. So far, this is how much I've earned, as you can see here. Yes, but the purpose of the video, let us try watching this video so that we see how this goes. Yes. As you can see, when the timer finished, I had to off the voice so that you can hear me. As you can see, because the timer is finished, then you have to stop watching the video when the timer finishes up here in the right corner. This is how much I've earned, and they say the balance has gone to my account. Yes, so that's how it works on this website. So if you finish watching that video, you can just off it. Yeah, and you go to another video. You just off it, you go to another video. Yes, sorry about that. I had to remove the volume so that you can hear me. So you just go to another video, or you can just reload your page there. Then a new video will come and it will pop up. So you just keep watching them, watching them until the ones you have for that day finish. Then you have to wait at this time, all these 16 hours. That's when I'll be able to get new videos if I'm to watch it. The question is this website worth your time? Because on this channel, we are being honest. Yes. We are being honest. Yes, we are being honest on this channel. The question is this really worth your time? Should you join it or should you try it? So to be honest, I tried out that website as you saw. I haven't made any dime. I've only made $0 up to now. I don't know how long it's going to take me to get those $2 so that I can cash out. Yes, I don't know. I've tried it for 1 week. I don't think it's something that you should give a try, but it depends on you. Yes, but according to me, it was not worth my time. I tried it, watching the video. Sometimes I could do it a day, but that's how much I've earned so far. And the videos are too many to watch. So that's what it is. So if you want, you try it. But for me, no. Yes. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to comment in the comment section where you are watching from so that we can try out methods that really work. Yes. So many videos are out there and they are really scamming people. It's the right time for us to know the truth, and we know what really works, that it's really worthy our time. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. One love. Bye bye.